Welcome to Mind Travels. In today's video, we are going to do a full tour of one of the world's most beautiful cities, Istanbul. We will learn about its geography, history, population, culture, and attractions. So let's get started. But before we begin, I invite you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing videos like this one. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Istanbul is the largest city in Turkey, both in terms of geographical area and population. The city stretches over 2,500 square kilometers, making it the 40th largest city in the world by area. In terms of population, Istanbul ranks as the 13th largest city globally with a whopping 15.8 million inhabitants. Istanbul is divided into 39 districts. Some of the most popular ones include the historic Fatih district with iconic landmarks like the Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque, the bustling shopping area of Istiklal Street in Taksim, the vibrant nightlife of the Galata and the luxurious modern buildings of Levent, and the Asian side of Kadıköy. Now that we know where Istanbul is located, let's dive into its rich history. Istanbul has been inhabited for over 2,500 years, and it was known as Byzantium during Roman times. In 330 AD, Emperor Constantine the Great made Byzantium the new capital of the Roman Empire, renaming it Constantinople after himself. During the Middle Ages, the city became the center of the Eastern Roman or Byzantine Empire and played a pivotal role in trade between Europe and Asia. In 1453, the Ottoman Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror captured Constantinople, marking the end of the Byzantine Empire and the beginning of the Ottoman era. Under Ottoman rule, the city flourished and became known as Istanbul in 1930. Today, the city is a vibrant metropolis that attracts visitors from all over the world. Istanbul is situated at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, making it a melting pot of different cultures and influences. The city's strategic location at the Bosporus Strait, connecting the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea, has made it one of the most important trading hubs in history. Istanbul's climate is characterized by warm summers and mild winters, making it a popular destination year-round. The average temperature in July and August can reach up to 91 degrees Fahrenheit, while January and February see temperatures around 48 degrees Fahrenheit. With its stunning natural beauty and strategic location, Istanbul has long been regarded as one of the world's most important cities. From its ancient Greek origins to its days as the capital of the Roman and Byzantine empires to its role in the Ottoman Empire and beyond, Istanbul has played a pivotal role in shaping world history. As the largest city in Turkey, Istanbul continues to be a major cultural, economic, and historical center with a thriving population and numerous tourist attractions. Whether you're interested in history, culture, food, or simply soaking up the sun on one of the city's many beaches, Istanbul has something to offer everyone. So if you're planning a trip to Turkey, be sure to add Istanbul to your list of must-visit destinations. Moving on, let's talk about some interesting facts about Istanbul. Did you know that Istanbul is the only city in the world that sits on two continents? The city is divided between Europe and Asia by the Bosporus Strait. Most of the city lies in the northwest of the Anatolian Peninsula, but a small portion is on the western shore of the strait in Europe. The first organized public library in the world was established in Istanbul in 1640. It was called the Sultan's Library and it was open to scholars from all over the world. Istanbul is home to the world's largest airport, the Istanbul Airport, which opened in 2019. The airport is one of the busiest airports in the world and is a major hub for Turkish Airlines. Now let's take a closer look at the demographics of Istanbul. Istanbul is a very diverse city with people from all walks of life. The city is home to people from all over Turkey as well as foreigners from all over the world. The population of Istanbul is approximately 15,850,000, making it the 13th most populous city in the world. The majority of the population in Istanbul is Muslim, but there is also a significant Christian population as well as other religious minorities. The official language of Istanbul is Turkish, but English is widely spoken in the city, especially in the tourist areas. Arabic and Russian are also commonly spoken due to the large number of tourists from these countries. Now let's explore the culture of Istanbul. Istanbul is a city that celebrates diversity and offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. The city is home to a variety of cultural attractions including mosques, museums, and art galleries. Istanbul is also known for its delicious cuisine, which reflects the city's multicultural heritage. Traditional Turkish dishes such as kebab, meze, and Turkish delight are popular in Istanbul, as well as international cuisine from all over the world. The arts and culture scene in Istanbul is thriving with a variety of theaters, cinemas, and music venues offering a wide range of performances and events throughout the year. The city is also home to a number of prestigious universities including Bogazici University, Istanbul University, and Galatasaray University. These universities attract students from all over Turkey and the world and contribute to the city's intellectual and cultural vibrancy. Overall, Istanbul is a dynamic and vibrant city that celebrates its rich cultural heritage while embracing modernity. From its stunning mosques and museums to its delicious cuisine and world-class universities, Istanbul offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, art, food, or simply soaking up the atmosphere of a truly unique city, Istanbul is definitely worth visiting. Next, let's discuss some of the main attractions in Istanbul. First up is the Hagia Sophia. This iconic structure is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Istanbul and was originally built as a church, then converted into a mosque and now serves as a museum. The Hagia Sophia features stunning mosaics and a massive dome that was the largest in the world when it was built. Next, we have the Blue Mosque. This mosque is known for its beautiful blue tiles and 6 minarets and is an active place of worship as well as a popular tourist destination. The Blue Mosque is a great example of Ottoman architecture and is a must-see attraction in Istanbul. Next, we have the Grand Bazaar and the Spice Bazaar. These traditional markets are filled with shops selling everything from spices and textiles to jewelry and carpets. They're a great place to buy souvenirs and experience the bustling atmosphere of Istanbul's old town. Another popular attraction in Istanbul is the Galata Tower. This medieval tower offers panoramic views of the city and is a great spot to watch the sunset. The tower is also known for its unique design and historical significance as it was built in the 14th century. Finally, we have the Bosporus Bridge. This bridge connects the two continents of Europe and Asia and is a popular spot for walking, cycling, and taking in the stunning views of the Bosporus Strait. The bridge is also an important transportation link for the city and offers a unique perspective on Istanbul's skyline. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Istanbul. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment below. We love hearing what you have to say. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for joining us on this journey through one of the world's most fascinating cities. Until next time, continue exploring, stay curious, and keep mind traveling.